In this video, I'm going to show you how I modified the transmission tunnel of this 69 Mustang, which I built from scratch, and I'll leave a link to the video of how I did it. After testing the engine and the transmission in the chassis, I mark and cut just enough to be able to place the transmission in each position. Here, after leveling the body, I put the engine and transmission back in place and leveled the engine to 0.2 degrees. Then I started to shape the cardboard pattern by putting a piece of wood just over an inch to control the space between the pattern and the transmission. Once again, using one of my favorite tools, the laser level, I was able to adjust the height on both parts and easily find out where the central point was. Now I took all the measurements to shape the next cardboard pattern that would go on the top. Then, as you can see, I finished the rest of the patterns and joined them all into one piece. Once the pattern was finished, I took it out, divided it into 3 flat pieces and finished all the edges so that it would have a clean pattern. Now it is time to prepare the metal sheet and start copying the shapes of the patterns to finally cut them with the grinder. Six folds in, and it's already looking like a real tunnel. After having bent the 3 pieces, I rounded some of the edges with the bit roller and the hammer so that it fit better with the factory lines. There is just something satisfying about the bit roller, like drawing with steel. It's time to take out the engine to add some pieces of metal to the firewall, since when I cut it for the first time, I lost control. Sliding the heart back in place. Once the three pieces are joined by some tack welds, I go over the points with the hammer and dolly to make sure they are completely flat and relieve the tensions caused by the welding. I use a screwdriver here just to get the pieces lined up nice and flat. Now I am using a hammer underneath to stretch the original tunnel section and bring it in line with the new one. Using the reference that I showed you in the picture, I took the measurements to make the hole perfectly in the right place for the shifter.
Hope you liked it, made with glee by the guy from Alpharisee. Ba-ram, pum, pum.